Gintawag ni Pope Leo XIV nga truly unacceptable o kung hindi mabaton ang pandam ni US President Donald Trump nga pamatyon ang bugos nga sibilisasyon sa Iran. Ginpahanumduman sang Santo Papa nga isa ka paglapas sa international law ang anuman nga pag-atake sa civilian infrastructure. Sa ingapusan sang iya statement sa tubang sang reporter sa Italia, naghinyo ang American Pope sa mga pumuluyo sa kalibutan nga i-contact ang ila mga political leaders kag ila congressional representatives kag i-demand nga tapuso na ang giyera. Ginsulit man sang Pope ang iya mensahe sa Urbe et Orbe o kung to the city to the world Easter Sunday message nga nagahingyo nga pilion ang kalinong sa baylo sang kasingki.
I would simply say once again what I said in the Urbe et Orbe message on Sunday, asking all people of goodwill to search always for peace and not violence, to reject war, especially a war which many people have said is an unjust war, which is continuing to escalate and which is not resolving anything. In fact, we have a worldwide economic crisis, energy crisis, situation in the Middle East of great instability, which is only provoking more hatred throughout the world. So come back to the table, let's talk, let's look for solutions in a peaceful way, and let's remember especially the innocent, children, the elderly, the sick, so many people who have already become or will become victims of this continued warfare. To remind all that attacks on civilian infrastructure is against international law, but that it is also a sign of the hatred, the division, the destruction the human being is capable of, and we all want to work for peace. People want peace. I would invite the citizens of all the countries involved to contact the authorities, political leaders, congressmen, to ask them, tell them to work for peace and to reject war always. Thank you very much.
Ang kapugusan nga mensahe ni Pope Leo XIV matapos nagpagwa sang pandam si US President Donald Trump sa Iran.